Are you searching for the best drain cleaner machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best drain cleaner machine in 2024.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. POPULO Drain Cleaner Machine Advanced Automatic Feeding System. The automatic feeding control system can automatically push and pull the cable out of the pipe, making the cleaning process more efficient and effective. Please note that the purpose of the reverse setting of the forward-off reverse lever switch is to change the rotation direction of the steel cable so that when the head is stuck in a blockage, the cable can be safely recovered and the equipment protected. Portable and safe. 50FT Drain Cleaner features a drum-shaped design that helps prevent cables from accidentally flying out, enhancing safety during use. Despite being similar in weight to portable handheld models, our product comes equipped with 8-inch large, portable wheels, ensuring easy transportation in any scenario while maintaining safety. Easy to zero-operate and replace accessories. We provide detailed video tutorials to guide users on how to install and use this pipe sewer snake machine. Equipped with replicable cables and head accessories, the air switches, and all replacement accessories can be found and purchased in Amazon. If you encounter any questions, please contact us through Amazon or email customer service, and we promise to provide you with answers and support within 24 hours. Safety and durability upgrade. This electric power drain auger is equipped with a GFCI leakage protector to effectively prevent the risk of electric shock during use. Its 50FT by half-inch high-quality steel cable is made of special materials and Wembley. After hardening and heat treatment to enhance the resistance to breakage, winding, corrosion, and wear, it can easily cope with multiple 90-degree bends and effectively remove obstacles in 2 to 4-inch indoor and outdoor drainage and sewer pipes.